We study plant biology and particularly how plants defend themselves against insect pests and pathogens. I have a lab team consisting of undergraduates and graduate students and postdocs, and we work together to try to understand how we can improve plants to make better products for human society. Farmers are always looking for ways to increase yield. That's really the name of the game in agriculture, and they want to do that with as few inputs as possible. That would include reducing the amount of pesticide use. So in the technology that we've developed, we think we can get plants to grow optimally and rapidly, potentially without the use of pesticides, so that the natural defense mechanisms that plants have can be turned on all the time, but without exacting that energy cost that might make them grow slower. This is Manduca sexta, the tobacco hornworm. It sort of is a specialist on what we call solanaceous plants, so that would be tobacco, tomato, potato, those types of plants. And it is very effective at sort of triggering the defense systems in this tomato plant. So if it starts munching on a leaf here, these leaves will start filling with defense compounds, and that occurs not just in the leaf it's chewing on, but it happens systemically through the whole plant. It's not my expertise taking things to market, but I think that's really where MSU Technologies comes into the picture. They have a really talented crew, teams over there who can work with folks like myself, who are more, at the bench on a daily basis to try to take what we discover in the lab ultimately out of the field. The other thing that excites me about science is that it's new every day. You can make a discovery, you can publish your results, but then there's something else, another question to be answered. And so it's often the case that when you answer one question, you get 2 or 3 new ones. And so we're always kind of thinking about, that next question. So it never ends.